guys, my name is Divya. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be about this makeup look right here. It's a very normal makeup look that I've created with lilac. Like you can see the lilac top I'm wearing, and I've like done a purple kind of eyes, which are very subtle, and with a wing liner, with a pink lipstick, very neutral kind of a look. So how I created this look, just keep on watching. So let's get started. So firstly, I'm gonna moisturize my face with Pond's Vitamin Hyaluronic Acid moisturizer. Very lightweight and it's very good for you in the summertime. And I'm gonna be moisturizing my lips, and for that I'll be using the Laneige lip sleeping mask. I like to use it as a lip balm as well. It's very moisturizing and it gives a very plummy effect also. And now I'm gonna be starting off with my eyes, and I'm gonna take a lighter concealer. I'm gonna just put it underneath my eyes and over my lids. I'm gonna be blending that so that I have like a beautiful smooth canvas, and I'm gonna be putting it on a little bit of my dark spots around my face, like little pigmentation and anything of that sort. So as you can see, I've like put it all over my eyelid. Now I'm just gonna set it with a little bit of powder, and now I'm just gonna take my Huda palette, and I'm gonna be taking the lighter shade, and this is the lighter shade I'm gonna be using as a powder to set the concealer in place. Now I'm gonna be taking a coral kind of a shade to kind of have a a base of the eyeshadow, and gradually I'm gonna be adding little color so that beautifully the color comes out really nice. And I'm gonna be taking the lilac purplish kind of a shade, and I'm going to be blending that in very light handed. Guys, use your brush very light handed. Don't press so much pressure on your brush, otherwise that color will not come out the way it should be. Now I'm going to be taking the MAC fluid liner. I'm going to be taking an angular eyeliner brush, and I'm going to just put a eyeliner in a wing shape, and gonna create a wing liner on both of my eyes to give a very longitudinal effect. Now I'm gonna be taking my Sephora foundation and taking MAC strobe cream, and I'm gonna be mixing both of them and to make a very dewy base for my skin, my foundation. Now I'm just mixing that up, and I'm gonna be using the brush to kind of blend that in very seamlessly into my skin. Guys, this foundation is really nice. I suggest you guys, if you live abroad or you live where the Sephora is nearby, you can just purchase this foundation. This is really nice foundation. So I'm just gonna blend that in really very nicely into my skin, and make sure to don't overuse the foundation. Now I'm gonna be taking the concealer. I'm taking the Maybelline concealer in the shade Sand, and I'm gonna be putting it in the corners and the like the length of my eyes to kind of make a like snatched effect onto my face. And I'm putting it underneath my jawline as well, so that I have like a plum effect to my face. So I'm gonna be blending that, and I am gonna do my contouring as well with NYX stick, Wonder stick in the shade medium tan. I'm gonna be putting wherever I need to contour, on my forehead, near my jawline, and on my cheekbone as well. And gonna be putting my blush from Etude House, that is the Dear Darling Tint, and gonna do that gonna blend everything up together. So firstly, I'm going to be blending my concealer on place. So guys, I'm using three different brushes to buff it off my concealer, my blush, and my contour. And I'm using the foundation brush to kind of put the concealer into place, and then I'm going to be using a fan kind of brush to put my blush onto the place, as you can see. And after that, I'm going to be using a contouring brush to kind of smooth out the contour as well. So guys, one thing keep in mind, that if you are doing a cream contour, then make sure to use a little bit pressure on your brush, because otherwise it will not blend very nicely. Otherwise, use your fingers if your fingers are very clean. So make sure to maintain the hygiene as well while doing your makeup, because at the end of the day, it's your face. You don't need to ruin that with pimples and acne marks. So yeah, I'm gonna just blend that in. I'm gonna set everything up with a loose powder, and that is from Maybelline. Medium is my shade, and I'm gonna set everything up to kind of have a little bit of chiseled look. So I'm just gonna putting on my cheekbones and underneath my eyes to kind of have a smooth effect so that वो shining ना लगे, otherwise वो बहुत ही बुरी लगेगी. And now I'm gonna just run my finger around my nose because I have to blend the contouring around my nose. Now I'm gonna be taking my Nika ke birthday cake palette to kind of do my lower lash line, and for that I'll be taking a little bit of magenta kind of a shade. I'm not gonna go with the purple, the lilac one, because I want to create a little bit of different color underneath my eyes. So I'm just gonna look upward and I'm gonna just pressing the color. You can, as you can see, the color was really bright, but then it is not I'm not putting that much pressure underneath my eyes. It will come very nice kind of a pinkish kind of a shade, not like darker than that. Now I'm gonna be taking my Miss Claire eyeshadow eyebrow palette, and I'm gonna just do my brows. So guys, time to do my brows. As you can see right now, my face is looking a little bit of not that powerful, but जब मैं eyebrows बना लूँगी it will look so good. I have told you guys many time कि अगर आपने no makeup look भी करना है, उसमें भी अगर आप eyebrows को fill कर लेंगे, you will rock your look, you will look fantastic, you will look fresh, and do your eyebrows very very nicely. Don't go overboard with it because otherwise वो बहुत ही अजीब सा लगता है and it will not look good on you. Now I'm dusting off all the makeup all the powder, sorry, that I have it on my face. Now I'm gonna setting the base with the setting spray. I'm using the LA Girl setting spray, and I'm gonna leave it on to get it dry, completely dry. Now I'm just gonna take a white kajal from Deborah Milano, and I'm just gonna put it underneath my waterline so that I have like open eye effect on my eyelid, and it looks very nice as well. Now I'm gonna be taking my Benefit mascara, and I'm gonna just putting underneath my lower lash line, because I like to put it underneath my lower lash line because the want of this mascara is really good for lower lash line. Now I'm just gonna do my upper lash line with the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. It's a very nice drugstore mascara, you guys. If you want to try on, go for it. It's a very good mascara. Now it's time to do my lip liner. I'm going to be using the PAC Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Watermelon. And it's a very nice shade, pinkish है. इसको as a lipstick भी use कर सकते हैं, but I like to use it as a lip liner only. And I'm going to be using Smashbox की lipstick in the shade Gulabi Bai. Yeah, that is the shade, and it complements the color that I'm wearing, the eye makeup I have. I don't want to go like overboard with any of the colors, so I'm using very pastel nude color. And I'm gonna be doing my and now I'm gonna be putting the highlighter from Too Faced. And yeah, that's about this look, guys, and I hope you like this look. So guys, I hope you like my makeup look that I've created. I do my makeup with very less of products and like very easy breezy techniques. So I hope आपको अच्छा लगता हो, and अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है तो guys please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, share with your relatives and the people you know. And yeah, I will see you later in my next video. Mwah! Big Puchi.